know, the slime you can buy it at us.
Hi guys, today we're doing another video.
Level
I'm
3.
just like,
And then if you go to level 3,
we just finished
and then you should
shopping, which is
a
like
blue color
Toys
thing.
R Us. And
says
I got some
Toys
slime to
R
show you
Us.
guys, okay?
You enter inside the
So,
store, you should
ooh,
see white
guys,
paintings on the
Look
wall.
at it!
And then you just
Oh,
just try to find a
no, not
section
the pink.
where you can buy the those stuff.
Yeah, so this is the slime. This was so stretchy. It's white color. And then we also...
No, that's my sibling. My siblings is making a video too about slime.
Yeah.
So,
and I also got the pink one.
Okay.
Squishy. So now we are going to mix it.
So cool, right?
Oh, can my feet?
Okay, I'll show you what I can make.
Oh, guys, it is so cold. Like, I want to try. It's so cold. The pink one.
Look.
It's so cold. The pink one. You want to try it on your leg?
Okay.
Okay,
Guys, wait. I need to try my sister's slime.
Is it cold?
Yeah, very cold. Can I have some?
Okay, can I have some of yours?
Yeah, can.
So we mixed it together, your slime. Can you give me some of yours? Ah! So squishy. Why smells so squishy, guys?
Well, that's my sister.
So small! Guys, so my brother gave me like a tiny size.
So this is what my
So,
sister gave me. I
mixed
actually
it.
let's mix it up and let's see what it becomes all together.
Oh, guys! Oh my god. It's so messed up. It's so messed up. So stretchy, guys. I didn't
And
get
boom. This is how it comes.
this.
So,
So
like,
it
yeah, at this spot, you can see
guys, it's so
the pink stuff.
squishy.
And the pink stuff is what
You
I took.
want some? Eat it then.
So
No,
it becomes like
this is slime. You cannot eat it. So later I'm doing my makeup, not now, guys. Ah! Is it so squishy, guys? No.
that's the end of the video. And I will see you in the next video. I mean, I've got a couple more videos to make on slime and
Guys, I think it.
toys
Oh, oh, guys.
remote control
It looks stop.
Toy
It's become this
Sneak.
color.
and many more.
The pink one
Yeah,
is
that, yeah,
super
that.
pink.
I mean, like that's all. Yeah, yeah, like that. Yeah, that's all. So if you want, so again, I'm repeating. If you want this type of slime, go to Toys R Us at Tampines Mall, level 3.
Guys, help me.
Yeah.
Ah, my hand. Help, somebody.
So that's the end of the video. Bye, guys.
You put it there. Really nice.
Okay, now I just need to upload that video on YouTube. This is gonna be so fun.
Guys, I took on my leg, but it didn't curl on me then. It didn't curl. It's just like, oh, guys, why is it like that? Huh? Oh, it become pink now. No. 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 Oh, guys, this one is so nice. the videos. So it's a lot of videos today that I make slimes. I'll tell you one more time.
Let's just make
If you want to buy this slime, just buy at Toys R Us. You will meet me there. If you don't know that slime, just meet me at home, okay? My number is there is 2, 3, 3, 0, 7.
I need
0, 7 star. Oh my god. I can't help my hands. Oh my goodness. Big! What happened to my hands? Why is it like that? Why this slime is like that? Oh my god. This slime forever. Najan, it's the first time we play slime, right?
Now wait, let me feel. Now wait, give me some.
Okay. I'll give you a little bit. Done.
I haven't take.
Okay. Just take it.
Thank you.
Can I have some of yours, Eloy?
Yeah,
Because
I
I give